What's up everyone, how's it going? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Dylan. This is the Rideshare Hub for Uber and Lyft drivers, and in today's video, there's actually a brand new app that's potentially taking over Uber and Lyft, and the Wall Street Journal just made an article about this company because they just got $50 million in funding, and this could be the next app, Rideshare app, to take over Uber and Lyft. So thumbs up the video, my friends, and let's get started. So before I do, I wanted to give a huge shout out to our sponsor, Solo. This is the business app for gig workers. When you use our link to sign up down below, they're gonna send you 15 bucks just for signing up, either on Venmo or PayPal. They have a guaranteed pay feature model, which is my favorite. So if you go out and drive during one of these shifts, for example, you don't make that guaranteed amount, they're gonna pay you the difference, okay? An average app-based drivers earn $5,000 more per year. It's a tax deduction when you sign up, because in some of their pricing, like their guaranteed pay model, it does cost $7.99 per month, but they do give you a free trial. They do have a free version as well. That's where you're gonna get your 15 bucks. Anyways, there's a ton that comes just with the free version, but obviously, you know, for the automated mileage tracking, federal tax projections, which is incredible. You're gonna know how much you're gonna owe in taxes, custom Solo smart schedule, and that daily guaranteed pay. You can use it for free, by the way, for the end of the month. But yeah, guys, check it out. Work Solo down below, and let's get started. So this is the article on the Wall Street Journal. Meet the startup aiming to take on Uber and Lyft. Also has tapped investors with a ride-hailing model that includes owning vehicles and employing drivers. Alto Experience, a startup founded in 2018, so not too long ago. Thinks it can do ride-hailing better than Uber and Lyft. That means the part shifting back towards how taxi companies operate. They're really the best of both worlds. They're taking the taxi model and they're taking Uber and Lyft model, but we all know Uber and Lyft, I mean, they're outsourcing their expenses to drivers, and basically drivers are ending up broke even after working hundreds of hours per month because their cars cost an insane amount of money to maintain. And anyways, it's a Dallas-based company. This is what it looks like. Alto, some people get there, others arrive. You can sign up to be a driver, and look at the perks that happen. So when you drive with us, you don't have to buy a vehicle. They provide a luxury, safety-equipped vehicle for you. So, you know, as a taxi driver, you're not driving the best kind of car. For this one, they give you a freaking Escalade, bro. Look at this. You can watch this video, and I've already seen it, but look at this. You get to drive an Escalade. How awesome is that? It's an Alto car, and that is an Escalade, my friends. Those are beautiful, beautiful cars. You're gonna get tips as well. I'm sure you're gonna get tons of tips, by the way, because people who ride with Alto, they're actively seeking out a better option because they know that they're gonna treat drivers better. They have 59 million bucks in funding. We can actually check this out. In June 28th, so that was around a year ago, they hit Series B, which is really good. Basically, once you get past your seed rounding, or your pre-seed rounding, your seed rounding, your Series A, and your Series B, you basically, I mean, the investors know that they have a really good business model, and they're probably going to go to Series C, D, E, F. Like, this could be a company worth billions of dollars, basically unicorn funding. Yeah, guys, so anyways, check out Ride Alto if you'd like. I'm not sponsored by them at all. I would love to have them on the channel though, so if you're watching this Alto, feel free to reach out. We have our email down below. And check out Solo, by the way, our sponsor, and get 15 bucks just for signing up. Literally takes minutes to sign up. Link your account, type in your Venmo or your PayPal. You'll get that money every Tuesday. Well, each Tuesday they send it out. $5,000 more a year. They have all these free trials to sign up, and they do have a completely free version as well, which you can sign up for. But yeah, they have this really awesome guaranteed pay feature, which is one of my favorite features of the app. And also another one of my favorite features is the estimated tax projection. So they tell you just about how much you're gonna owe in taxes, which I haven't seen anybody else do. So check out Solo with our link down below, get your 15 bucks, and talk to you soon. Bye now.